my name is John Derer. I'm here to share with you a story about my family that could very easily be a story about your family. My dad was a person with a sense of adventure and a patriot, and those combination of things led to wonderful opportunities for our family and experiences. And so in giving this testimonial today, I'm very proud to share some things that I think will be helpful to other people. My parents moved back from England in 1999. And in one of the conversations we had subsequent to that, I asked them what were their plans for extended care. During that conversation, I told my parents, I want to make a gift to you. And my sisters and I want to make a gift to you, and that is, because this is as much about us as it is about you, we want to get you long-term care insurance. My dad is in a facility right now where he is extremely well cared for, and he's happy. He has even remarked how fun it is, the place that he is. What that does for us is it alleviates a mental block, if you will, a feeling of guilt, if you will, that you might have. My mom has a very, very full life, but yet she's very devoted to my dad and goes to plan his menus and goes to various different events at the facility. And my dad still refers to my mom as, he may not remember her by name at this point, but he refers to her as she's very beautiful. You know, one of the benefits to long-term care insurance for my mother has been to move her out of being a caregiver and to being a supervisor of my dad's care. That frees up a lot of my mother's time to give her some balance in her life, which is invaluable and probably will extend my mom's life longer. I was away on a business trip when my dad entered this assisted living facility in New Canaan, Connecticut. And I came to see him once I returned from that trip about a week later. And I sat with him in the dining area of this wonderful facility. And he stood up and he turned his pockets inside out. And he said, "This is a wonderful place, but how are we going to afford it?" And I said, we had the foresight to plan for this very day, and we purchased long-term care insurance with Transamerica Life. And everything that's going on here is paid for. So you don't have to worry. We love you, and we want you to live the rest of your life with dignity. You know, Transamerica Life has been absolutely great. From that very first time that we had the phone conversation at the assisted living facility in New Canaan, Connecticut, where we had the customer service people on the phone explaining and verifying the benefits of the policy so that they would take assignment of benefits, and to how they've handled the claims from that point on. I think it's really important for families to have the long-term care discussion. You know, it may be a very painful subject to talk about or something that you want to avoid, but I can tell you it's really made a difference in the life of my family and all of our ability to enjoy life. I would encourage you, if the costs, if you're saving, you've got children, and you have other financial commitments, to speak to your siblings. Come up with a creative plan where you share the cost. Maybe you share the co-fund it with your parents or co-fund it with your siblings. My siblings and I co-fund my parents' long-term care insurance, and needless to say, it's been a rewarding experience for all of us.